Hello, welcome back on Just French It. I'm so glad to be back. I'm so glad that you're watching this video right now. And well, today's lesson is going to be all about saying cute in French, but not actually only about that, because we're going to talk about adjectives and how they get modified according to gender. And I'm going to give you plenty of examples. So let's get started. The first way and the most standard way to say cute in French would be to say mignon. Mignon, mignon, mignon. There is the gnon sound in there. The GN is pronounced ny, ny. Mignon, mignon. And it means cute, but it's the way that we're going to say and spell it when we talk about something that is in the masculine. Let me give you a few examples. For example, if you are talking to someone who is a boy or a man, you would say to him, tu es mignon, tu es mignon, tu es mignon, which means you are cute. You can say that to a kid, or you can say that to an adult, although here the word cute, the word mignon, has a little bit of a childish kind of vibe to it. So if you want to say that someone is cute, as in kind of sexy, you would use another word which we're gonna see together during this video. So tu es mignon would be for a man. You can also use it for objects or concepts or things like that that are masculine, that have a grammatical masculine gender. For example, here with the word bébé. Bébé means baby in French, and it is masculine, regardless of the gender of the baby. If the baby is a girl or the baby is a boy, bébé is a concept, actually, like children, like a child, like an adult. A baby, un bébé, is a masculine word. And so when you are using the word bébé and when you want to say that someone's baby is cute, you are going to use the word mignon in masculine because the gender is masculine. So, son bébé est trop mignon, son bébé est trop mignon means her baby is so cute or his baby is so cute here. Okay, is that clear? Cool. Now, you can also use the masculine version of mignon in situations. In situations when you're going to use the c'est. C'est, which is the first word in this sentence, is generally translated in English by it's. So, c'est trop mignon, it's so cute. So you see that here we saw two words, well, the same word twice, the word trop, which means too much. Literally it means too much, but we use it in French more and more, and I think that probably in the future this would be the standard word to say to say a lot. Okay, c'est trop mignon, it is cute very much, it is so cute. Now, that's for the masculine. For the feminine, you would use the word mignonne. Mignonne. So listen, mignon. Mignon is for masculine. Mignonne. Mignonne is for feminine. And it also means cute, obviously, but you're going to use it in slightly different situations. When you are referring to someone, when you are giving the adjective to someone who is a woman or a girl, you would use mignonne. You would say, tu es très mignonne, ou tu es mignonne. Tu es mignonne means you are cute, and you are definitely addressing someone who is of the feminine, who is of the female gender here. Again, here you can also use it with female gender, feminine grammatical genders. For example, une fille. Une fille is feminine. It's a feminine gender word. Une fille. So sa petite fille est mignonne. Sa petite fille est mignonne. Her daughter is cute. Okay, so let's recap this difference. You're going to use the word mignon in a masculine when you are referring to males, so boys or men. To a group of person who is one or more males. For example, if you have a group of person in front of you and that within this group there might be 10 females but there is one male, you're going to use mignon. You're going to use the masculine here. You're going to use also the masculine version of mignon in situations with the use of c'est, like we saw together, and with the masculine gender, would it be for objects or animals. On the contrary, you're going to use the feminine version, so mignonne, when you are referring to females, so girls or women, and with feminine gender objects or animal or words. Okay? Good. Now, there is an abbreviation for this word you might find, although it's typically more used orally than with written French, the abbreviation Mimi. Mimi. Mimi, it's simply the beginning of the word mignon or mignonne, and here it doesn't matter which gender it is. You can find it typically in expressions like trop mimi, which means so cute. Like when you want to express that something is really cute, you have, for example, in front of you a puppy or something like this, you would say, oh, it's so cute. In English, you would say that. In French, you would say, ah, trop mimi, trop mimi. Or if you want to even go a step further and maybe be a little bit too much, you can say, c'est super mimi, it's so cute, it's super cute. I think you can picture the kind of person who would say this sort of thing. Then there is a second word, because cute in English can either mean something is cute, like a baby, like a puppy, but it can also mean someone is kind of sexy. You know, when this man is cute, or like this girl is cute, means you kind of want to, you know, there is a sexy part to it. And in this instance, you would use the word in French, charmant, which means, which comes from the same root as charming in English. You know, Prince Charming is Prince Charmant, le Prince Charmant in French. So charmant means cute or charming also. And here again, you will have two different words for the masculine and for the feminine. So charmant is for the masculine. For example, il est charmant, he is cute, he's kind of sexy, he's charming, you know. Or quel homme charmant, what a charming or what a cute man. And for the feminine version of this, you would add, like with mignonne, an I at the end, and you are going to pronounce this charmante. Donc charmant, the T at the end is silent, okay? With the masculine version, and with the feminine, you are going to pronounce it because there is an I at the end, so charmante. And again, here it means cute, charming, for feminine gender objects or animals or things like this, or for females. Elle est charmante. You almost don't hear the T at the end. Elle est charmante. You really need to be subtle at the end if you want to pronounce this. It means she's cute. You will typically find the word charmante in this expression. Une charmante demoiselle ou une demoiselle charmante, généralement une charmante demoiselle, means it's a cute girl. And it can be used either in a very serious, formal way that makes you maybe a bit old. Where if you say this kind of thing, you might be a bit older. Or the person who says them might be a bit older. Or you are very young, and in that case, you really are insisting on the fact that this person is sexy, you know. Une charmante demoiselle, like she's really sexy. So here again, you have the differences. Charmant for the masculine is going to be used for males, for group of persons with one or more males in it, for situations as well, with the use of c'est, so it is charming, c'est charmant, and for the masculine gender. And again, for the feminine, for females, and for the feminine gender only. So that's it, that's the end. You have 3 words that you can use right now when you want to say something is cute in French. You can use the word mignon or mignonne if it's feminine. The abbreviation Mimi if you are not really sure of the gender of what you are supposed to use. You can use Mimi. This would work, but it only works, and it's a bit casual, and it only works when you are saying things. When you're writing, not so much. Well, if you are chatting online on like a chat platform, then that's fine. But if you are writing a letter, for example, or if you are writing a story, then in that case, Mimi might not be the word you want to use. You want to find out the gender and use either mignon, mignonne, or charmant, charmante. So if you like this lesson, if you want to know more about me, if you want to receive exclusive lessons and extra tips to learn to speak French, you should check out the description below this video, because I sent really regular emails where you can find all of those lessons and tips, and also offers and discounts on my products as well. So if you want to join the French club, if you want to be part of this, sign up below this video.